Portable, fast and sleek, the Samsung T7 external SSD has been a favorite for tech enthusiasts and creators alike. But is it still worth your money in 2025? Today I'll unbox this compact powerhouse, show you everything that comes in the box, and test its real-world performance with speed tests and file transfers. Whether you're looking for reliable storage for gaming, editing, or everyday use, this review will help you decide if the T7 is the right fit for you. So without further ado, let's begin. So the drive comes in a pretty simple box, mentioning its advertised file transfer speeds and the storage capacity. Inside you will find the drive itself and the supplied cables, along with a quick start guide and some warranty documentation. So starting with the design, the Samsung T7 keeps things simple and sleek. It's super compact and definitely looks smaller than the standard 2.5-inch external hard drives. The aluminum finish makes it look quite premium. It's available in indigo blue, metallic red, and the Titan grey, which is the one I have here. And I must say it looks fairly stylish and minimal. I mean, look at this drive. It's quite thin and no larger than a credit card. And it's also fairly lightweight, as you would hardly feel it in your pocket. But don't let its weight and size fool you. The shock-resistant metal body can withstand drops up to 2 meters. Definitely a solid choice for on-the-go users like photographers and video editors. And here's a quick rundown of its specs. So the T7 offers USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface, which means you will get ultra-fast transfers. It also offers AES 256-bit encryption for secure file protection. But the highlight here are the 1000 megabytes of read and write speeds. Yes, the drive offers blazing fast performance when it comes to read and write speeds. It also works seamlessly with Windows, macOS, Android, and even gaming consoles like the PS5. Plus, it includes both USB-C to C and USB-C to A cables for universal compatibility. Another standout feature here is the thermal guard technology to prevent overheating even during heavy file transfers. Now let's jump over to the performance. I tested the drive with both Windows and Mac machines and the performance was fairly awesome. I tested the drive with CrystalDiskMark on Windows and Blackmagic speed test on macOS, and here are the results. As you can see that the performance is almost as advertised on the CrystalDiskMark test. The Blackmagic speed test, however, didn't show the same performance levels. As you can see that the speed is fairly lower than the advertised 1000 megabytes. But synthetics tests aside, how does it perform in real-world tasks? I transferred a 20 GB 4K video file and it completed in just over 19 seconds, which means that the drive did achieve the advertised 1000 MB speed. So for video editors working with 4K footage or gamers storing large libraries, the Samsung T7 SSD is an impressive upgrade. As I said earlier, the T7 supports AES 256-bit encryption, which means you can set up a password using the Samsung portable SSD software. Do keep in mind, however, if you forget the password, recovering your data becomes impossible. So after extensively testing the drive, here are the pros and cons. So the drive offers blazing fast speeds and achieves its 1000 megabytes speed. It's also fairly compact, lightweight and portable. And the universal compatibility with laptops, phones and consoles is another positive. And lastly, the drive also offers AES 256-bit encryption. Well, I didn't find anything negative about this drive, but it's slightly more expensive than the competitors like the SanDisk Extreme and Crucial. So is the Samsung T7 external SSD worth your money? I would say absolutely yes. While newer models like T7 Shield and T9 are out, the standard T7 still delivers exceptional speed, security and reliability for price. If you're looking for a trusted external SSD, it's a solid investment. If you are interested in grabbing one, I have linked it in the description below. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech reviews. You are watching Digital Feeds and I will see you in the next video.